this mortal earth, and I'm measured up by depth and girth. The Father says, now what's he worth? May he see Jesus' death and birth. Don't measure me by dollar signs or bricks and mortar you may find. By Christ alone will I be found, worthy of that golden crown, worthy of that golden crown. The value of this life I've lived, how did I love, did I forgive, or did my treasure truly lay? How did I start and end each day? Don't measure me by battles won or some good deed that I have done. By Christ alone will I be found, worthy of that golden crown, worthy of that golden crown. Maybe a pauper or a king, have nothing or have everything. The question begs, do